sure that the supplier you're looking for has the materials that you actually need to cast, and what is the quality control that they have in place. How are they actually integrating automation into their process, and are they trying to push themselves to be with the industry or even ahead of the industry? I think those are some of the key things to really look out for, especially on a foundry side.
Yeah, along those same lines, with quality controls and modern, well-maintained equipment. I mean, we'd love to have people out visiting our foundry.
Yeah.
We'd love to show off what we've done. We have a really great facility. It's a very clean facility, and it has a lot of other things that you really like to see the process. And I think a lot of people understand casting, but you don't understand the whole process of the casting. So I think it's neat to be out and be able to visit, a supplier and kind of see how they work and see them in person is really, really beneficial.
Yeah.